Yon! Ayos! Good evening mga kapanaligs! Here in the Philippines. Good morning, good afternoon sa mga friends naman natin dyan outside the Philippines, sa kabilang dako ng mundo. So, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. Ayan, mga friends natin from the Middle East, sa Europa, diba? Sa US, North America, South America, napapanood tayo guys sa mga sulok ng mundo yan. Thank you for joining us tonight here sa Kidlat TV. Isa na namang umatikabong pawera na magaganap. Tonight is gonna be a special night kasi it's the first time that I'm gonna be interviewing someone who is outside ZFT. So as you all know, yung mga previous episodes natin, ang mga guests natin doon sila Boss Z-Freaks, sila Messino, sila Serious D, sino pa ba yung mga na-interview natin? Sila Trinatan, mga from ZFT yan. But tonight, it's gonna be special. Kasi, ang makakasama natin tonight is an up-and-coming trader and mentor sa Philippine stock market arena. So, the first time I came across kay the Tattooed Trader was last year, I think, was early or mid last year. And, nung nakita ko yung page niya, shinare ko agad dun sa ZFT core group chat room namin. Tapos sabi ko, guys, tignan nyo to. Juicy ang mga tinuturo, tsaka magaling magturo. So, we admire those traders na mayroong passion magturo sa mga ganyan. And it's been, his social media following has been blowing up since then. I think, napakabilis, exponential lang growth. Talagang nag-blow up yung channel ni The Tattooed Trader. So, I'm sure meron tayong mga nandito ngayon na went under his training program. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yon. Yung mga ngayon pa lang nakakapakinig ngayon, ako po si Kidlat. Ito ang tinatawag namin na Trading RX, wherein we give prescription, that's why RX, sa mga trading problems. Sickness, well, usually may mga signs and symptoms yan, mga traders. Struggles, challenges, mga problems sa mga traders. So, we try to give prescription based on our knowledge and trading wisdom. But, first and foremost, do not believe anything we say here sa Trading RX. Lahat ng mga sasabihin namin dito nanggaling sa experiences namin. Does it make it right? Hindi. Does it make it wrong? Hindi rin. So, be wise enough to absorb what you think is right or good for you and scrap those things na hindi mo naman kailangan. By the way, if meron kayong naisip na trader na gusto nyong i-feature natin dito or i-guest natin dito sa Kidlat TV or sa Trading RX, please comment. Teka lang tawagan natin si Sir. Si The Tattooed Trader. Handa na ba kayo guys? Hello? Ayun.
Hi, good evening.
Oh, mas malakas pa daw, Brad. Mas malakas pa daw. Nang onting lambing pa.
Hi, good evening, guys. Hello.
Malamig ang boses ni Sir.
Okay. Hi, guys.
Sir, unang tanong, matanong nga kita, anong tawag? Ilang taon ka na ba, Brad?
23.
Yes. Ang bata pa. Pero anyway, sige, bumati ka muna. The floor is yours.
Okay. Okay, shout out sa first of all mga students ko, T3 students, T3 local Philippines, what's up guys, T3 Middle East, as well as SG, as well as all my students across the globe. I have a few students who are located sa Europe as well as US. Pero yep, thanks for coming out tonight guys to watch and support. Hopefully you guys will learn a lot. To all my followers who are here, hello, Team Rainbow 6. Okay, what's up guys? Alright, that's it.
Team Rainbow 6. Ano ba yung Rainbow 6? Ano yan? LGBT ba yan? Ano ba yun?
Laro yun laro na.
Laro ba yun? Computer game ba yan? Rainbow 6 eh. Nakarinig ako ng Rainbow eh.
Parang may bahid na. LBGT shade.
LGB, May mga pa-unicorn ba yan? Mga Anyway, thank you for allowing us na marinig ka namin dito sa aming radio show ba to, itong Trading RX. Salamat sa pagpapaunlak ng invitasyon namin. Let's begin. First question is, how did you get into trading? So, paano ka nag-start?
Trading. Well, for those who are already aware and for those who were not aware, I got into trading through some gambling friends. I used to play poker a lot, even when I was in high school. So 50-50. I have a few poker buddies who are trading back around 2010, and my mom was a big fan of Bo Sanchez. For those of you who don't know, Bo Sanchez is one of the leading people who is promoting or encouraging people to invest sa local stock market in helping people achieve financial freedom. So she's a big fan, and I encountered his book about the maid who made millions supposedly, and that's what pretty much got me into trading. So yeah, that's it. That's how I started. I started early, around 2012. At the time, I was 17 pa lang. Unang trading account ko, 17 pa lang. Hindi ko pa account yung tanong ko. Saka office mate ko pa yan at the time. Well, I was working at a networking company. Ako yung taga-abot ng flyers no, nagbibilad sa araw. Pero I was really into trading at an early age around 17.
When you say networking company, parang MLM, multi-level marketing?
Oo, may multi-level. Yung nagbebenta ng kape, ng sabon.
Oh, mga 8-in-1.
16, 7. Yun, mga ganon. Lahat ng kasupasuhan, talagang mapapagaling daw. So, that was a good experience for me. 2016, 2007. Yun, nag-networking ako. Payaman.
Power.
Laging sunod sa araw. Solar boys ang tawag namin sa sarili namin. Kasi sa arawan kami. Nag-aabot-abot kami ng flyers. Kinukumbinsin namin yung mga tao na mag-part-time job. Pero hindi naman talaga part-time job.
Ayun. Mga kidnap moves.
Oo, mga kidnap. Kunyari, alok. Mga tropa mo, dadali mo birthday. Punta tayo birthday, delivery ko kape, ganyan. Tapos pagdating sa sa event, ang dami ng tao, tapos wala naman palang pa-birthday, yun na, kakapawaran na.
Natatawa ako kasi I also had my fair share of mga kidnap moves na ganyan before. So, nagkaroon din ako ng mga for some reason, my friends or siguro kung sino man yung mga Facebook friends ko na parang nakikita nila ako someone who will invest, who will try networking. Parang siguro merong business acumen, may open-mindedness na So, that's why ini-invite ako palagi and most of the time, siguro mga 8 out of 10 na mga ganyan, kinidnap ako yung mga tipong biglang pagpasok mo na lang sa office ng company is meron ng magandang tugtog. Sasayawan na yung mga taas invite na yung si upline to power you up.
May mga sasakyan pa sa baba, nagpapay sila ng mga cheque, saka pera-pera.
Diyos ko.
Bata, syempre, may iwasan.
Doon ka na so anyway, you mentioned Bo Sanchez and so ibig sabihin nabasa mo yung libro. May Made Invests in the Stock Market, right? Tama ba?
Ever since I was young, talagang bookworm ako eh.
Were you a member of TRC?
Hindi ako naging member ng TRC. Naging means lang talaga yung channel or yung book ni Bo Sanchez para maka-attend ako ng una kong seminar sa Ortiga, sa Tech Type pa yun. Around 2012.
Nice. 2012. If I remember it correctly, parang that was the peak of mining na eh. Did you start as a long-term investor as well? Just like yung nakararami?
Yes, for the most part, ganun din yung initial perspective. I saw trading as a means to help me grow my savings, grow my capital. Kasi when you get into, pag naka-attend ka ng call financial seminar, they get to show you, the track record, 3-month to 5-year performance of the company, doing say 200%, 150, and so on and so forth, more than 50. Basically, outperforming and beating yung mga mutual funds. And it's a good realistic initial perspective expectation I got into the market.
I see. So, you mentioned a while ago na you were not using your personal account, parang you were using somebody's account.
Oo, yung
How did you fund that account? Saan ka kumuha ng funding?
yung pang 1515, yung pang 1515 ko sa networking. Kita ko na mga kulang pa lang 50,000 in around 10 to 12 months. So, ganun lang kalit yung kinita ko, mga 50K lang. Within 1 year, a chunk of that, around half to 3/4 na padpad sa trading account.
1515, ito ba yung direct referral? Yung pag nag-invite ka?
Oo, yung may direct referral. Tapos pag nag-match-match sila, may 1.5 ka, di ba?
Pucha. Bumabalik sa akin ng mga
Memories.
Pero what is it about the stock market that really appealed to you?
That's a good question. Kasi I was around 16, 17 nung nag-networking ako. And no matter how hard I tried to maging pabibo, invite na mag-invite, lahat ng kaibigan ko siguro more than 70 to 80% ng mga kaibigan ko, sinisin na lang ako lagi. Kasi alam na nila yung modus operandi. Plus, at the time, hindi pa ako kumikita ng maayos compared to my peers sa network. Kung na-introduce sa akin yung trading, it was very refreshing. Kasi when you trade, or that's initially how I saw it, pag nagte-trade ka, wala kang ibang kalaban. Hindi mo kailangan mag-invite ng tao, hindi mo kailangan magpagod sa arawan, mag-invite ng mga tao, magpakain, kukumbinsi mo sila na ibenta na yung cellphone nila para may pang-invest sa company mo. Tapos di mo kailangan mambudol ng mga kaibigan mo and so on and so forth. Nothing against networking, pero iba yung playing field trading. So it was very refreshing to me. That's why I really got into it.
Parehas merong unlimited potential.
Unlimited potential.
you can both scale up kasi your networking business and trading business So siguro medyo nakitaan mo ng potential na. But when you were starting, sino yung first mentor mo or saan ka kumuha ng mga resources para magkaroon ka ng knowledge in investing?
I guess that's my main issue Nung nag-start ako mag-trade, hindi ako naghanap ng mentor. Ang una kong hinanap is obviously yung mga tao na instead of looking for someone specific that is doing well in trading, latter years, a few years pa yan onwards, bago ko naisipang gawin. Napadpad ako sa mga trading groups. I won't mention them, pero Facebook, medyo laganap na yung Facebook. So, around 2012, yun, puro mga Facebook stock market groups. Saka yung mga stock tips, yung mga online buy and sell tips that sa mga blog. Mainly, at the time, ang focus ko lang is finding the right stock. Stock tip lang ang iniisip ko mga araw. Nagsa-start ako. So, ayun. Pero no mentor in the first 2 years.
Like, anong mga Facebook groups to? Can you mention some?
I got into yung malaki, yung Philippine stock market group. Mga 40,000 plus people there at the time. I got into Traders Apprentice. Hindi ko na maalala iba
Nambutan mo pa ba yung PIG? Philippine Investors Group? Ayun ang mga Pat saka yung mga Thai. Yung Thai TIE. Traders Info Exchange, kung saan sila Sir Franco ang mga natin dyan. Loading natin dyan during that time. Kasi that's how I started din sa Facebook. Yun ang mga una kong pina-follow. And most likely, same din dun sa nabanggit mo na unang group, yung malaki, yung Philippine. Kasi when you type stock market, Philippine stock market in Facebook
Yun
search
ang
bar.
una lumalabas.
Ayun agad. Kasi sila yung merong keyword na Philippine stock market. Something, something. After that, paano yan? Were you working as a corporate employee or
Pagdating ng, hindi ko na malala exact year, really bad it takes. Pero 2012, 13 ata, 2012, when I reached 18, take ako ng TESDA course sa Makati para gumaling-galing yung English ko. Tapos, interview ako, okay. Call center ako. Nag-work ako sa call center in QC. Kung aware kayo sa GS, Global sa collections company, yung kami nangongolekta ng mga utang ng mga tao sa Australia. Tapos, pang umaga ako doon. Yun ang unang call center ka. Uwian ako noon, galing akong Cavite. Cavite, 2006. Tinis ko isang taon. So, that's, partly where I actually got to get funds and to start trading from there.
So, nag-TESDA ka pala. Actually, nag-TESDA din ako eh. Pero ang pinag-aralan ko noon, hindi English. Spanish. Alam ko yan sa may... Seryo, Spanish. Spanish ang pinag-aralan ko noon. May allowance pa yan eh, yung TESDA, di ba? May allowance kayo dyan eh. Dyan yan sa may malapit sa Resorts World. Di ba? Malapit sa Resorts World yung office. So from Cavite ka pala, ano? Caviteño.
Caviteño sa...
Caviteño si sir. Nakakapunta ka ba sa mga meetups dito sa Norte or usually dyan lang sa South?
Dito lang usually sa South with my students, mainly sa Manila. Kasi right now I'm just staying.
Di ba sabi mo, parang doon ka sa kinikita mo sa call center, kumukuha ng funds.
Call center.
Call center. Doon ka kumukuha ng funds. Was there a time ba na wipe out ka? Just like
yes,
a lot of traders.
Huge drawdown. 2013. If you guys remember yung huge rally ng dati. So, sakto sa top ako ng pabili. Ang malas ko nga kasi first 2-3 years ng trading ko kasi hindi ko na-record natin. Kasi siguro ko na-record yung mga trades ko at the time. Yun, sunod more than 50% drawdown.
Parang halos lahat yata tayo dumaan talaga sa ganyan. Yung tipong akala mo yung mga initial learnings mo, yun na yung kailangan mo. And then, nung applications, parang bakit ganun? Ba't parang hindi ako kumikita? So, how did you study? How did you master your craft? How did you find your craft?
Nung nakita ko na medyo hindi naman ako na-depress eh, pero talagang parang ayaw ko na mag-trade yung time na. Pero at some point, parang calling. Hindi naman calling, yung parang magpapahi ka na ito talaga yung para sa'yo. Pero the draw of trading there, especially yung euphoria ng first few trades, you meet pretty decent profits, very small ones. And being right on a trade, talagang nag-stick sa akin. And especially for the guys who are, playing poker or, gambling or playing anything related to probability. Yung euphoria of being right on a particular game is really strong. And sa akin, ang ginawa ko, after I had that much drawdown, tama din yung ginawa ko, which is I stopped. And from there, I gathered a lot of books. How to trade the stock market, yung Can Slim, ni William O'Neill, since mga first few months. And it kind of gave me a sense of structure na hindi pala pwedeng stock pick lang. Na hindi pwedeng basta-bastang maganda yung stock, yun na yun. Na-realize ko na yun, wala palang forever sa trading. Merong, market conditions, things change, and, a bunch of other variables na kailangan aralin.
Ay, sinag-aral ka pa rin pala ng counseling, pang fundamentalist, ano?
Fundamental ang approach ng counseling.
Bakit tattooed trader ang naisip mo? Of all the names na possible.
Actually, hindi ko rin alam eh. Parang, yung nag-start ako ng page, around late 2016 or early 2017. Around 2016 ata. Late 2016. Out of the, ano lang kumbaga impulse decision lang siya. I have lots of tattoos at the time. Yun yung kaadikan ko sa pagtatattoo. From 2016, yung pinakamalaki kong tattoo sa balikat hanggang siko. Yun. So, yun. Hindi ko rin alam bakit tattoo trader, pero that's the name that popped up.
Ayun, so parang kasi actually maganda nga eh. Parang it's very Marvel yung ganyang style. Tattooed trader. Ito medyo fun fact lang guys sa mga Stanley na mga characters. Usually yung first name and yung last name same yung start ng same letter yung start ng first name and last name. So kung let's say kung Bruce Banner, Peter Parker, mga ganyan. Kaya that's why yung sa akin Kapitan Kidlat, pares K. Ito naman the tattooed trader. Merong merong scientific recall sa mga Pero anyway, nadideril tayo. So, may mga pa-fun fact si Cap. So, may mga tattoo ka pala, sir.
Good attention to detail. Yes, marami ka. 2, 3, 4. Hindi na mabilang 7 na ata.
Sa buong katawan. 7. Meron ka bang tattoo sa sa mga hidden places? Na
pinaka-hidden ko na ata yung sa kilikili banda, sa ribs, yun.
Ribs, balita ko sa ribs, medyo masakit daw dyan,
Oo. Yabang ko kasi nalaki na ng tattoo ko. Yung sa ribs, yung parang second to the last year yung tattoo. December bago ako magka-birthday. Siguro first 2 minutes pa lang, kakadikit pa lang ng karayo. Parang na akong kinokuryente.
Umaano na. So, kasi marami nagtatanong ng about, let's say, normally kasi nakikita na ng mga tao how consistent are you sa trading. But let me ask you, how long did it take you to be consistent, to be a consistent trader?